Okay, so here's a quick video of actually in use. I'm not gonna punch it and do all that, just on a simple drive and go through the gears. Everything's working cool. So let's go ahead. My son's gonna hold the phone and I'm gonna go through the gears. Okay, ready? There you have it. It's as simple as 1, 2, 3, 4, and basically, you pull the gear as far as you want to pull it. Hopefully not breaking your transmission, but I think that's the easiest way to go about it and the easiest way to explain it. So I'm gonna go ahead and do it one more time, and that's it, because gas is expensive. So here we go. Same thing, start all the way down and take off on your first gear.